Hey guys, this is Furkan here and welcome to my tutorials. As it is our first tutorial, so we are going to start with the introduction of a program. So what do you mean by a program? A program is a set of instructions given to computer to solve a particular problem, or a program is a collection or a set of instructions given to computer to do a specific task. Both are the same things, like if we have a problem or if we have to do a specific task. What we have to do is write a program in which we will write some instructions for the computer. The instructions will tell the computer what to do and how to do a task. Let we have to add two numbers, 6 and 5. Then we will write an instruction like 6 plus 5 in our program. CPU execute the instructions in our program one by one. Like if we have 10 instructions in our program, then CPU execute the first instruction, and when it has executed the first instruction, then the second instruction, and then the third instruction, and up to so on the whole program. So if we have to subtract or multiply or divide these numbers, then what will be the instructions to do these tasks? Simple, we have to write an operation between these numbers. Like if we have to subtract these numbers, then 6 minus 5 will be the instruction. This instruction will tell the computer that the user wants these numbers to be subtracted, and for the multiplication 6 multiplied by 5, and for the division 6 over 5. So how people communicate with each other, like how I am communicating with you, I am using a language. So to communicate with the computer or to give instructions to the computer, we need a programming language. The communication means if we have to do if we have to specify a task, we have to give a task to the computer, we have to give some instructions to the computer, we have to write down these instructions in a programming language. So a human can write these instructions in a programming language for the machine or a computer, and then the computer or a machine understand these instructions and then execute it, and it will definitely show you the output that what the instructions you have written is meant to be. So there are two types of programming languages, two main types. One is low level language and others are high level languages. So what we have learned so far is what is a program. Like a program is a set of instructions for the computer. What is a programming language? Computer needs a programming language to, or by the way, human need a programming language to write instructions for the computer or to write a program for the computer. So why we need a programming language is that if we have to communicate with the computer, then it will definitely be in a programming language. What are the types of programming language? There are two types, low level languages and high level languages. So this is it for the first tutorial, and stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe me.